Hello everyone, this printer is HP Envy 6020 6000 series. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to wireless network with your computer. You need to go to the back of the printer, press and hold the power on button and the Wi-Fi button together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then release it. Then if you look on the front, you will see a purple light and the Wi-Fi light image will be highlighting intermittently, and also you see a purple light. We want to connect this using the laptop. Go to Microsoft Store. Go to Microsoft Store and install HP Smart App. Select HP Smart App, install it on your computer. Open it up, select open. Accept all. So skip, allow your location. This is HP Smart App. Select add a printer. It's now going to search for available printer. So HP Envy is found. Select on it. Time to connect, set up and manage your printer. Then you select continue. So it found the Wi-Fi network within the environment. Access Wi-Fi password for the following Wi-Fi network. This app access your Wi-Fi and connect the printer to your network automatically. Then you select continue. Printer configured. Printer join network. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Then you select continue. Getting printer drivers information. And if you look on the printer, you see that the Wi-Fi light is now steady on. Printer driver successfully installed. Then you select continue. And this is the printer. It's showing us ready. We'll show you the ink level. So this is how to connect this printer to wireless network. If you want to add it to your mobile phone, you need to go to your Play Store, install HP app. So open HP app. And select plus. Choose an available printer. So you look from the list, HP Envy is available. Select on it. And this is the printer. So with this, you can print out a document. If you want to print a document, you select print document, then select PDF. Then it takes you to your file for you to select the document that you want to print out. Double click the document to open. This is the document we want to print out, 2 pages document. Select print preview. Then you select how many copies. Print two-sided long edge. Then you select orientation automatic. Then select print. This is the document printed out. This is how to connect this printer to a wireless network, then add it to your mobile device, then print out a document. Thank you very much indeed.